Hi, good morning. This is Mr. Young. I am the technologist and TELPAS coordinator here at Poe Elementary. I just kind of wanted to give you a quick tour of my lab as we're going to be testing online TELPAS tests. Okay, so let me go ahead and get that started real quick. So here we have the lab. As you can see, we're using a lot of the CDC guidelines. We have these barricades to prevent the spread of germs. And each student will have their own little cubicle or space for the laptops. This is a test where they need to speak and listen. So instead of using microphones on the headsets, they're just using the headsets to hear. The microphone is actually inside of the computer. And what the kids need to do is they need to lean down to talk about 5 or 6 inches. And because of the barricades and these cardboard surrounds, the sound picks up really, really well. They don't need to scream, but they just talk in a normal tone, and it basically picks up the sound. And it is a lot safer than if they were to use a headset with a microphone, because kids tend to kind of get too close to it, and that is not very safe, especially if they're sharing equipment. See? Those are the ones we used to use, but we don't use those anymore. And what I actually do is after each child has finished, I wipe everything down. I also wipe the headphones, and they're not the most comfortable, but they are very, very safe and they last a long time. If your child wishes to bring their own headset, that's totally fine. Just make sure they're not wireless, because if they're wireless, the Bluetooth will try to catch any surrounding headphones, and that just provides an extra complication. So once again, this is Mr. Young, and this is my lab. My email is underneath if you should have any questions and need to contact me. Thank you very much.